Hello, everyone. Welcome or welcome back. I'm back with another video to help you learn and to speak better English. This is Margaret's English Camp. Welcome back. This is Margaret's English Camp. Today's lesson is Sight Words Part 3, Short I Sound. I, I, I. Today's learning objective is to learn 25 new sight words with the short I sound. Also, learn sentence structure by using all the new sight words in complete sentences. Our first word is big. Big, big. My family lives in a big house. Big, big. Our next word is bin. Bin. Always put your trash in the bin. Bin. Next word. Dig. Dig. My dog loves to dig a hole for his bone. Dig. Next word. Dip. Dip. I like to dip my fries in lots of ketchup. Dip. Next word. Fig. Fig. That fig tree is very tall. Fig. Next word. Fin. Fin. The dolphin's fin is caught in the net. Fin. Next word. Fix. Fix. Yay! My friend helped me fix my bicycle. Fix. Next word. Hid. Hid. I heard a noise, so I hid under my blanket. Hid. Next word. Him. Him. Jack's dad let him drive the car. Him. Next word. His. His. My brother loves his birthday present. His. Next word. Hit. Hit. The little boy hit a home run. Hit. Next word. Kid. Kid. The new kid in my class is very smart. Kid. Next word. Kit. Kit. All parents should have a first aid kit. Kit. Next word. Lid. Old id. Lid. Don't forget to close the cookie jar lid. Lid. Next word. Lip. Oh, lip. Ouch! My lip is swollen. Lip. Next word. Lit. Oh, lit. A lit fireplace is beautiful at Christmas. Next word. Mix. I love to help Mom mix the cookie ingredients. Mix. Next word. Pig. Pig. The mom pig eats a lot of food. Pig. Next word. Pin. Pin. A pen comes in many colors and shapes. Pin. Next word. Pit. Pit. Be careful. Don't fall in the pit. Pit. Next word. Rip. Rip. Oh pants have a rip in the knee. Rip. And you also can see this word when someone passes away. RIP. Follow their name. So rest in peace is what it means when someone passes away. But we're using it as a rip or tear in a jeans. Next word, sip. 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 I took a sip of my favorite milkshake. That wasn't a serpent sound. Sip. Next word, six. 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 I have 6 people in my family. 6. Next word, tip. 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 My dad gave the waiter a big tip. Tip. Our last and final word is win. Win. I had my first big win at the race. You have just learned 25 new sight words with the short I sound. I. Let's review those words. Number 1, big. Number 2, bin. Number 3, dig. Number 4, dip. Number 5, fig. Number 6, fin. Number 7, fix. Number 8, hid. Number 9, him. Number 10, his. Number 11, hit. Number 12, kid. Number 13, kit. Number 14, lid. Number 15, lip. Number 16, lit. Number 17, mix. Number 18, pig. Number 19, pin. Number 20, pit. Number 21, rip. Number 22, sip. Number 23, 6. Number 24, tip. Number 25, win. Next slide. Margaret's English Camp is now offering memberships on my channel. I'm offering memberships because I want to have a personal one-on-one with my followers who need that one-on-one help with a specific lesson so that they can better improve their English skills. So here are the benefits. You receive loyalty badges. The next one, specific lesson request videos tailored to your needs. Next one, photos and status updates. Number 4, early access to new videos. The next one, number 5, membership shoutouts. And the last one, priority reply to your comments to let you know I see you and I hear you and I acknowledge your needs. Next slide. About the teacher, which is me. My name, of course, is Margaret B. Levick. I have a master's degree in education, bachelor's degree in business, and an associate's degree in computer science. You can contact me at margaretsenglishcamp@gmail.com or via Skype if you desire a one-on-one lesson. Live, M Levick 2664_1. I have 120 hours of TEFL certification in addition to my degrees, and I have 8 years ELA and ESL teaching experience. This concludes our lesson. So thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed the lesson and I hope it will be very beneficial to you. I will see you next time. Keep practicing and keep learning. And remember, in order to speak better English, you have to speak. Bye-bye.